Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A rustic retreat, welcoming warmth in your country home. Imagine a living room that embodies the charm of a country home, a rustic haven that invites relaxation and connection with nature. Here's a glimpse into this cozy space. Rustic charm defines the space: exposed beam ceiling, rough-hewn wooden beams, painted white or a light wood tone, add architectural interest and enhance the rustic character of the room. Stone fireplace. A grand stone fireplace is the heart of the room. Imagine crackling fire logs on a chilly evening, casting a warm glow and inviting cozy gatherings. Warm color palette, earthy tones of brown, beige, and green dominate the color scheme, creating a sense of warmth and connection to nature. Consider incorporating pops of color through throw pillows or artwork featuring country landscapes. Woven textures. Woven textures add a touch of comfort and rustic charm. Think woven rugs on the floor, chunky knit throws draped over armchairs, or woven baskets for storing blankets or firewood. Country comfort in the furniture. Overstuffed armchairs and sofas upholstered in durable fabrics like leather or heavy linen provide a sense of comfort and invite you to sink in and relax. Reclaimed wood furniture pieces. A rustic coffee table crafted from reclaimed wood or a vintage side table with a weathered finish add a touch of history and character to the space. Wrought iron accents. Wrought iron elements, such as a fireplace grate or a floor lamp, add a touch of classic country style. Connection to the fenced garden. French doors. French doors leading out to a charming fenced garden blur the lines between indoors and outdoors, allowing natural light to flood the room and creating a sense of spaciousness. Window seating with garden view. A built-in window seat with plush cushions offers a cozy spot to curl up with a book and enjoy the view of the garden. Rustic curtains. Light and airy curtains made from natural fibers like linen or cotton filter the sunlight and add a touch of softness to the rustic decor. Overall vibe, this rustic living room exudes warmth and comfort. The exposed beams, stone fireplace, and woven textures create a sense of history and connection to nature. The French doors and window seat with a garden view seamlessly connect the living space to the tranquility of the outdoors. Additional touches. Vintage rug. A vintage rug in a traditional country pattern adds a touch of history and uniqueness to the space. Rustic wall art. Decorate the walls with rustic wall art like landscape paintings, antique clocks, or framed botanical prints. Greenery indoors. Bring the outdoors in with strategically placed potted plants or hanging baskets. Featuring trailing vines. Fenced garden design. The fenced garden can be designed as a sanctuary for relaxation and enjoyment. Include a mix of flowering plants, herbs, and a comfortable seating area for reading. Enjoying a cup of coffee, or spending time with loved ones. This description is a springboard for your creativity. Personalize it further by incorporating elements that reflect your personal style and the unique charm of your country home. Let your imagination flow and create a rustic living room that serves as a haven for relaxation, connection with nature, and creating lasting memories. Here are several compelling reasons to consider a rustic living room design in your country-style wooden house with a fenced garden, warmth and comfort, inviting atmosphere. The rustic aesthetic, with its focus on natural materials and warm colors, creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxing after a long day or spending time with loved ones. Sense of history and character. Exposed beams, reclaimed wood furniture, and vintage accents evoke a sense of history and tradition, making the space feel lived in and welcoming. Connection to nature. Rustic elements like stone fireplaces and woven textures create a connection to the natural world, promoting a sense of peace and tranquility. Benefits of a fenced garden. Seamless indoor-outdoor living. French doors leading to a fenced garden create a seamless flow between the living room and the outdoors. This allows you to extend your living space and enjoy fresh air, natural light, and the calming beauty of your garden. Privacy and tranquility. a fenced garden provides a private sanctuary where you can relax and unwind without feeling exposed. Increased functionality. The fenced garden can be designed to accommodate various activities, from enjoying a cup of coffee in a designated seating area to hosting outdoor gatherings with friends and family. Additional advantages: versatility. The rustic style is surprisingly versatile and can be adapted to your personal taste. You can incorporate modern elements or focus on a more traditional country aesthetic. Durability. Rustic materials like wood and stone are known for their durability, making them a good choice for a living room that gets a lot of use. Sustainability. Reclaimed wood furniture and natural materials contribute to a sustainable living environment. Overall, a rustic living room design in your country-style wooden house with a fenced garden offers a space that is both stylish and functional. It promotes relaxation, connection to nature, and creates a warm and inviting atmosphere for you and your loved ones to enjoy. Here's a roadmap to embark on your journey of designing a rustic living room in your country-style wooden house seamlessly connected to a charming fenced garden. 1. Define your needs and budget. Living room functionality. Consider how you'll use the living room: entertaining, relaxing, watching movies. This will guide furniture placement and layout, garden design and purpose. Think about the level of maintenance you're comfortable with and how you'd like to use the garden. Seating area. Herb garden, play space for children. Budget. Determine your overall budget for the living room renovation and garden design. This will guide your material selections and project scope. 2. Design inspiration for living room. Browse online resources. Websites and magazines showcasing rustic living rooms can provide inspiration for color palettes, furniture styles, and layout ideas. Consider exposed beam treatments. Decide if you want to paint the existing beams white or a light wood tone, or keep them natural for a more rustic look. Sample and test paint colors. Order paint samples for the walls and test them in the living room with different lighting conditions to find the perfect warm and inviting shade. 3. Garden design and plant selection. Research your rural climate zone. This helps choose plants that thrive in your environment and require minimal maintenance. Sketch a garden layout. Consider factors like sunlight availability, drainage, desired seating area location, and any privacy needs for the fenced area. Consult with a local nursery or gardening expert. They can advise on selecting plants best suited for a country-style garden in your desired aesthetic. Consider low-maintenance options like flowering shrubs, ornamental grasses, climbing vines for the fence, and perhaps a small herb garden for fresh ingredients. 4. Living room renovation and furniture selection. Exposed beam ceiling, optional if your ceiling doesn't have exposed beams, consider adding them for architectural interest. Stone fireplace, optional if you don't have a fireplace, consider a stone fireplace accent wall or a freestanding electric fireplace for added warmth and ambience. Furniture selection. Opt for overstuffed furniture with durable fabrics like leather or heavy linen. Consider incorporating a reclaimed wood coffee table or vintage side tables for a touch of history. Wrought iron elements like a fireplace grate or lamp base can add a classic country touch. 5. Connecting the indoors and outdoors. French doors. If your living room doesn't have French doors leading to the garden, consider adding them to maximize natural light and create a seamless flow between the spaces. Window seating with garden view, optional if you have a suitable window. Consider building a window seat with plush cushions for a cozy reading nook with a beautiful view. Rustic curtains. Choose light and airy curtains made from natural fibers like linen or cotton to filter the sunlight and add a touch of softness to the rustic decor. Additional touches. Vintage rug. A vintage rug in a traditional country pattern adds a touch of history and uniqueness to the space. Rustic wall art. Decorate the walls with rustic wall art like landscape paintings. Antique clocks, or framed botanical prints. Greenery indoors. Bring the outdoors in with strategically placed potted plants or hanging baskets featuring trailing vines. Fenced garden design. Choose fence materials that complement your country-style house. Consider a white picket fence, a natural wood fence, or even a stone wall for a more permanent and unique look. Enjoy the process. Take your time and have fun with the process of designing your rustic haven. consider visiting flea markets or antique shops to find unique rustic decor pieces. Once the garden is established, add comfortable seating, a small table, and outdoor lighting to create an inviting space for enjoying the tranquility of your fenced garden retreat. By following these steps and personalizing the design to your tastes, you can create a rustic living room that seamlessly connects to your charming fenced garden. This will provide a stylish, comfortable, and nature-connected space for relaxation, entertaining, and creating lasting memories in your country-style wooden house. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.